Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Before we start, let us ask the blessings of the Almighty God that we may have enough wisdom to understand our lesson. Let us close our eyes and pray to God. How are you all? Are you okay? Are you happy with your mathematics? Yes, last Saturday I had given you exam. Some of you did well. Congratulations to all those who did well. But I am also sad. Some of you did not do well. I don't know what is the reason. Is it because that you have not understood the chapter equation? If you have still doubts, you can call me up and ask, clear your doubts even regarding this particular chapter. So the other day we were discussing about the sum of the inner angles of a polygon and the sum of the outer angles of a polygon. Okay, what is the sum of the angles of a polygon? Inner angles, we know is n minus 2 into 180, right? Okay, now what is the sum of the outer angles of a polygon? We said that it is 360. At all cases, in all cases, whatever may be the polygon, the sum of the outer angles of a polygon is 360. That is fixed, unchanging sum. That is what we saw in the previous class. Okay, you have to keep in mind all these equations, and this is one important thing you have to keep in mind. Now let us discuss the questions. Page number 54, you can see in the textbook. The first question: all angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. How much is each outer angle? The question number 1. All angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. How much is each outer angle? That is the question. Okay. So, what is given to us in the question? The first question. All angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. The thing is, 18 sides are there. Okay, number of sides? Yeah, number of sides is equal to 18. And another thing what is given to us? It is equal. Okay, they are equal. Now what else is given? How much is each outer angle? Now what do we know? We know one thing. Sum of the outer angles of a polygon. What is that? How much is that? It is unchanging. What is it? 360. So we know outer angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Okay, we know it. It is always the same. Okay, sum of the outer angles of a polygon. Now we know what we have to find out. How much is each outer angle? Now each of the outer angle we have to find out. Do we know any angle? We do not know. But we know how many sides are there? 18 sides. So how can we find out? Now let us give that. Let the angle be is x. You have to give. Okay, we have studied in equations. When we do not know a value of it, we give as x. So we do not know the angle. We are giving x. Why we are giving x? Because each of the angles, each side are equal. We know. So each angle will be the same. So we can write. How many sides are there? 18 into x is equal to 360. That is a total. So how will you find out? We know 18x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 divided by 18. How much? How much it is? So x is equal to 20. So how many? What is the angle? Each of the angle will be 20. How much is the angle? each angle is 20. So we can find out whether it is correct or not. It is said that how many sides are there? 18 sides are there. So we will get as 360 as the outer angle. I hope it is clear to you. So how many sides are there? It is said that 18 sides were, and it is equal, and we know that the sum of the outer angles of a polygon is 360. Therefore, each of the angle we are finding out that one angle be x. Therefore, to find out x is 18 into x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 divided by 18. How this divided by came? Because it is 18x, 18 into x. So when it came here, it is division. 360 divided by 18. All this part we are applying the chapter equations what we have studied. Okay. So therefore, x is equal to 20. What is x? Angle. So what is each of the angle? 20 degree each. Because why each of the angle is 20? Because it is said that they are all equal. Okay.